Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and witnessed a brilliant streak of light darting across the stars? That's no ordinary shooting star. It's a glimpse into one of nature's most spectacular events, the Perseid Meteor Shower. Every year, the Perseids light up our skies with a dazzling display, captivating both seasoned astronomers and casual sky watchers alike. But what exactly is this mesmerizing phenomenon? Where do these meteors come from? And why do they occur at the same time every year? Join us on World Discoveries as we dive into the fascinating science behind the Perseid Meteor Shower. We'll explore its origins, unravel the mysteries of its predictability, and reveal the best ways for you to witness this celestial spectacle. Stay tuned, because you're about to embark on a journey through the cosmos. Every year, in the depths of summer, a celestial event unfolds that leaves us in awe. A dance of light across the night sky, the Perseid Meteor Shower. But what causes this breathtaking spectacle? How do tiny particles in space create such a magnificent display? A meteor shower occurs when Earth passes through a stream of debris left behind by a comet. In the case of the Perseids, that comet is 109P/Swift-Tuttle. As Earth moves through the comet's debris trail, tiny particles, some no bigger than a grain of sand, enter our atmosphere at incredible speeds, creating bright streaks of light known as meteors. Comet 109P/Swift-Tuttle is the parent body of the Perseid Meteor Shower. This comet orbits the Sun once every 133 years, leaving a trail of dust and ice in its wake. Discovered in 1862, Comet Swift-Tuttle has a nucleus approximately 26 kilometers in diameter. As it approaches the Sun, the comet's icy surface heats up, releasing gas and dust into space. This debris forms a meteoroid stream, which Earth intersects annually. So, what happens when these meteoroids enter our atmosphere? Let's break it down. As meteoroids enter Earth's atmosphere at speeds of up to 59 kilometers per second, they encounter intense friction. This friction heats them up to thousands of degrees, causing them to glow brightly. This phenomenon is what we see as meteors or shooting stars. The Perseids are known for their high rate of meteors and their bright fireballs. But why are they so spectacular? The Perseids can produce up to 100 meteors per hour at their peak, making them one of the most prolific meteor showers. The debris from Comet Swift-Tuttle is particularly rich in larger particles, which can create brighter and more frequent fireballs, meteors that shine exceptionally bright and can even break apart, leaving a trail of glowing fragments. Now that you know the science behind the Perseid Meteor Shower, how can you best observe it? On the night of August 12th, into the early hours of August 13th, find a place far from city lights, where the sky is clear, and the horizon stretches wide. Let your eyes adjust to the darkness, and look up with wonder. Each streak of light you see is a piece of a comet, burning brightly as it enters our atmosphere, a brief and brilliant reminder of the dynamic universe we are part of. Take this time to pause and reflect, to appreciate the moments of beauty and wonder that our world offers. Whether you are alone or with loved ones, let the Perseids inspire you to dream bigger, to look beyond, and to cherish the simple, profound joy of stargazing. May the Perseid Meteor Shower fill your heart with awe and your soul with peace. Embrace this celestial event, for it is a gift from the nature to you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Discoveries for more adventures and explorations. Until next time, keep looking up and discovering the world around you.